All right. I'm going to start reading this now, and you're going to learn this at the same time we do. Alvin Bragg announced today the indictment of Donald J. Trump for falsifying New York business records in order to conceal damaging information and unlawful activity from American voters before and after the 2016 election. During the election, Trump and others employed a catch-and-kill scheme to identify, purchase, and bury negative information about him and boost his electoral prospects. So far, this seems to be about Stormy Daniels and Karen McDougal. Trump then went to great lengths to hide his conduct, causing dozens of false entries in business records to conceal criminal activity, including attempts to violate state and federal election laws. This is how we get to the felonies. He's now charged in New York Supreme Court with 34 counts of falsifying business records in the first degree. The people of the state of New York allege that Trump repeatedly and fraudulently falsified New York business records to conceal crimes that hid damaging information. Now he's trying to justify why this prosecution is important. Manhattan is home to the country's most significant business market. We cannot allow New York businesses to manipulate their records to cover up criminal conduct. As a statement of facts, and Michael, pay attention, you're up next. The trail of money and lies exposes a pattern that the people allege violates one of New York's basic fundamental business laws. As this office has done time and time again, we uphold our solemn responsibility to ensure that everyone stands equal before the law. In one instance, American media paid $30,000 to former Trump doorman who claimed to have a story about a Trump child out of wedlock. Second instance, AMI paid AMI is the people who published the National Enquirer, $150,000 to a woman who alleged she had a sexual relationship with Trump when Trump explicitly directed a lawyer who then worked for the Trump organization as Trump's special counsel to reimburse AMI in cash. Trump's special counsel indicated to Trump that the payment should be made via a shell company and not by cash. Third instance, 12 days before the presidential election, the special counsel wired $130,000 to an attorney for an adult film actress. The $150,000 sounds an awful lot like the Karen McDougal situation. After winning the election, Trump reimbursed the special counsel through a series of monthly checks. This is how we get to 34.
Hey, thank you for watching. Please go to newsnationnow.com, newsnationnow.com, and you can find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below. Then you will get more of NewsNation's fact-driven coverage.